the 5 business ratio by dividing the respective components. You can see the ratio calculated from cell H8 to H12. Now, for calculating the Altman Z-score, we need to multiply the respective weight with the respective ratio and then take the sum of all the above product. This process is lengthy and will take some more time. So, to avoid our time, we need to use the Sumproduct function wherein we will select two table array, which is ratio and weightage. Now, in cell H13, we will type equal to sign, then type Sumproduct and give the first cell range from G8 to G12 followed by a comma sign for the second cell range from H8 to H12 and press enter, which will give us a desired result in one single formula. We have got the Altman Z-score of 29.81, which is good, and it indicates company is likely to remain financially healthy for the near future. Generally, if the score is equal to or less than 1.81, then the company might file the bankruptcy within next 2 years. If the score lies between 1.81 and 2.68, it's called gray area and require further qualitative evaluation. Now, let's take another example of Infosys, which is publicly listed non-manufacturing company. We can feed the data in the same way as we did for previous company. Here, we need to modify Altman Z-score where we need to ignore the business ratio of total revenue divided. Thanks for watching.